Today's video is a complete guide on Claude AI extensions. We will learn what is Claude AI extension is, how they work, how you can add extension in Claude AI, and a lot more things. And we will do everything live here in front of you. First of all, without doing anything else, let me explain you what is Claude AI extensions. So for example, right now Claude is this, right? And if Claude want more capability, for example, if Claude want to control your Chrome, it can't because Claude AI have not the capability. But after extensions, it can do it. Another example can be Claude AI want to change your file systems, but it can't do it because they don't have the capability. So Claude AI extensions are introduced to implement more capabilities like these. And in today's video, we are going to see an example of that. Before showing you an example, I want to tell you one thing that you have to download the Claude, because if you try to find an extension option in the Claude AI web version, you will not able to find it. You need to download Claude in your desktop to get the extension feature. I already downloaded it. You can click on the download for Windows or Mac OS or any other platform you are using right now. So let me go to my Claude AI. If you click on this particular button on the bottom, and then you have to click on the settings, and you will see a lot of options. You have to click on the extensions. In most of the cases, you will find it empty if you have not used it before. Then you have to click on the browse extension. Here you will find a lot of extensions. For example, Control Chrome, Spotify, and all other tools. For today's video, we are going to install an extension file system. What file system extension do is that it helps Claude to modify, read, and do all other stuff with the file system in our particular local system. So let me install it. So after installing it, Claude can read files, edit files, delete files, and do all other stuff in a particular folder. Of course, you have to give the permission for that. Now it's asking me to give a folder which Claude AI can access. So in my case, I will give the access of my download folder for now, so we can do some demos there. And click on the save button. After that file system is installed, I have to just enable it from here. One pro tip: if you go on any extension, browse extension, and click on any extension, and if you see that the install button is gray, you have to see that the requirement is not fulfilled. So make sure your requirement are fulfilled if you want to use that particular extension. Now our extension is installed. You will see all the extension here. And if you want to configure, change settings, change security things, you can click on that particular extension configure, and then you can come and see what are the what permission it have. For now, I will give it always allow because I want to show you the demo. But in your case, make sure you are giving proper permissions and not giving any permission which can harm your system. I am doing it right now because I want to show you demo, and I don't want to click on allow a lot of time, right? From here you can of course add more directories which access you want to give it. For now I will only give the access to download. Let's come back and open a chat. Now I will ask Claude related to my download folder, like how many PDFs are there in my download folder. Now Claude AI try to access my local directories, and here you can see that I have already given the permission for the download section. You can see allow directories, see user Surendra downloads. I have given the access to download only, so it will search in particular date and figure it out how many PDFs are available there. After doing this, we are going to do something crazy that if as a human I am going to try it out, it may take 1 or 2 hours of my time. Okay, so we got our answer. It is saying that we have 81 PDF files. Cool. Now we are going to ask Claude to manage all the image, videos, PDFs, and all other document in a different folders. Because if you see on my download folder, there are images, there are PDFs, there are different type of documents, there are videos, and I want to manage all of them. Now I want that all the downloads images in the image folder, all the videos are in the video folder, and all other things are in a particular folder. So I am going to ask the same thing to Claude, and let's see if it can do it or not. And as you can see, Claude is done working with it. Of course it took some time because there are tons of file in my download folder, but in case it may be like faster, and if you are like me, it may be slow. And if sometime tool is running from a long time, it may stop automatically, so you just have to click on the continue and it will keep doing the work. And now I am going to show you how my download folder look like. Here you can see. Now everything is organized, like installers are organizing installers. So now I can delete them because they have no purpose. And all the PDFs are in the PDF section, audios are in the audios, docs, archives, images, videos, everything is now well organized in my download section. I hope it has given you a better idea of how extension works. You can always come here and can install any extension you want. You can sort it from here and all. There are a lot of extensions, especially there are few extensions which are very useful. Is like a Chrome extension, PDF, and you can see that the popularity was also showing that Windows FCP is 3 number popularity, PDF is 9 number popularity, and you can see everything by popularity also here available. I hope this video helped you out to understand how extension works and how you can use them in Claude AI. If you really like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.